Hello friends, today we are going to show you an amazing experiment on how to measure the water level. You see here, if this LED glows, it is 0%, that is at the lower end, and if the water level is came to 25%, then this LED will glow. If the water level comes to 50%, then this LED will glow. If the water level goes up to 75, then this LED will glow, and if it is 100% the danger level, then this LED will glow and the buzzer will make sound. This is the way in which you can make a water level indicator, and this is a very simple method which I have made it. You see here, this is the suppose a glass of water. We'll put the water, we'll take some water, and if we increase the level of water slowly, then you see the first LED will glow first, that is 0%. When the 25% of this vessel is filled with water, then this LED will glow. When 50% of the glass is covered with water, then this LED will glow. And when 75% of the glass is filled with water, then this LED will glow, and 100%, that is up to here, when the water is up to here, this LED will glow and the buzzer will make sound, that is it is full, that is 100%. Now see whether it is working or not, how I made it. You see here, this is the various connections we have made. Here there are two cells, we have put the cells in series connection, right, here to give the LED a better power source. Now you see, if we increase the level of water slowly, how the LED is glowing. You see here, first LED will glow when water is at 0%, that is at the lowest level. You see here, we are giving water, and you see here, when the level of water is at 0%, that is this LED is glowing. When the water level will increase up to 25%, then this LED will glow. When the water level comes to 50%, then this LED will glow. When the water level comes to 75%, this LED will glow. When the glass is full of water, this 100%, then this LED will glow and the buzzer will make sound, and that is what we call it as water level indicator. Not only that, we have here only used the LEDs. Here we have not used any transistor nor used any resistance. Only we have used only these LEDs, these connections, these cells. You see here we have not used, if you see here, that we have not used any transistor nor any resistance also. You see here, you see the connections. We have not used any resistance, we have not used any transistor, and you see how you made this water indicator. And you see here that at 0%, that the lowest level, the water, when the lower level water is at lowest level, the first LED is glowing. When we give water, then the second LED, that means when this vessel is filled with 25% of water, then the second LED will glow. You see here. You see here. You see here, when the level of water is up to 25%, this LED is glowing. This is how we make this water level indicator. When the level of water, if we increase, then when it comes to 50%, then this LED will glow. You see here how we are increasing the level of water. When the level of water, when the water level comes to 50%, then the third LED will glow. You see here. Yes. You see here, that is when the water at the zero level, this is 25%, this is 50%. You see here the water level comes to 50% of this glass vessel or this vessel. That is when the water level is 50%, you see here this LED is glowing. When I give more water, and if it is 75% fill up, then this LED will glow. Now see how we are increasing the level of water, and see the fourth LED will glow. You see here, the fourth LED is also glowing. That is how we make this indicator, right? That is, it is at 0, it is glowing at 0%, it is at 25%, it is at 50%, it is at 75%. If we fill this whole glass of water, then the fifth LED will glow, and it is 100%, and the buzzer will also make sound. Let's see whether it is working or not. You see here, we are giving more and more water to fill up the whole glass of water and see whether it is working or not. You see here, when it is full, that is 100%, only then the fifth LED will glow, and the buzzer will make sound. You see here, this is the LED is glowing, and the buzzer is also making sound. You cannot see the LED is glowing, but if you change it into night mode, only then you can see that the LED is also glowing. Let us fill more water, and you see that LED is also glowing, but a little bit glowing because and the buzzer is also, you see the LED is glowing. You can see it at night mode. Let us see whether the fifth LED is glowing or not. For that, we are making it into night mode. You see here, the fifth LED is also glowing, right? And then in this way, you can make LED indicator or water level indicator at home very easily. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. You should know that when we made this water level indicator, we have not used any transistor, nor we have used any resistance. We have only used the LEDs, we have only used the buzzer, cell and some connections. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.